Now that you've scheduled your free strategy call, there's a few more details that I feel are going to be very helpful to you. Number one, your strategy call is only 30 minutes, although we've held aside 45 minutes just in case you have additional questions. Now, these strategy calls are creating a waiting list, so we do need to confirm your strategy call date and time. Here's how. You will receive a text, and all you have to do is say yes or no to your scheduled strategy call. That's it. Now, I want to say something about our industry. The hair industry is changing. Here's why. More and more of the public. What I mean, more and more of your existing clients and future clients are becoming more aware and cautious about all methods of adding hair, meaning all kinds of hair extensions, all kinds of hair toppers, every kind of method of making the hair fuller. We all know they work, but these clients are concerned that it's going to cause additional hair loss. This is what's changing our industry. That's why it's so important to offer a method that makes your client's hair fuller, but keeps their own hair safe and healthy. This is going to become more and more popular through the industry. So, what I want you to do, you're going to get a confirmation to confirm this strategy call. So please confirm your strategy call, and then we'll be able to hold it for you. And I'll see you soon. Thank you.